Which line am I? Anyways, fuck everything.
Bitch, we live up in the cut. Don't forget we got the sticks in here. We got so much shit in here that fuck will make you disappear. We don't need to do that net shit.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and I am back in effect with another video for you guys. Now, right now, don't mind the clothes. I am stocking up some clothes because your boy's going on a little minor vacation. We're going to Florida in a minute, you feel me? So we're making these videos in advance. So we're stocking up also on the reactions. So right now we have the Wapp. Oh, the box remix. Alright, yeah. The box remix, yeah. Alright, so what's popping for this right now, you feel me? So you guys been recommending. You keep recommending your songs. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Keep recommending your song from the US Virgin Islands. No, I'm not stammer, you see me? Just there all the vibes right now, people. I made like 5 videos already, feel me? So you kinda, but the energy got still there. Right now, let's see what's popping. Beatbox remix. Is it fire? Leave a like, comment, subscribe to see your comment next to the like post. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Please go get me to 10,000 followers on Instagram. I am currently sitting at 7,800 7,800 followers. So you know, we roughly need 2,200 more. So go follow me. Run tune.
We got sticks here, guns here, bitches here.
Damn, this shit is exclusive.
Alright.
We don't even care. Fuck your moms, fuck your
This is like Jamaica, yo. This reminds me of home. Like, this reminds me of home so much. Like, look at the street. Like, look at everything. Look.
We got sticks here, guns here, bitches here.
Damn,
Which
this
line am
shit is
I?
exclusive.
Fuck the apps, bitch. We don't need.
Anyways, fuck everything.
Fuck your whole gang. Bitch, we live up in the cut. Don't forget we got the sticks in here. We got so much shit in here that fuck will make you disappear. We don't need to do that net shit. Don't get checked quick. Thinking now you savage. Don't be looking for your dead wish.
We live up in the cut. Don't forget we have the stick in here.
We got sticks here, guns here, bitches here.
Damn, this shit is exclusive.
Come here now.
We don't even care. Fuck your moms, fuck
Fuck
your
everything.
We live up in
Everything.
the cut. Don't forget we got the
Stick in here.
We got so much shit in here that fuck will make you disappear.
Hey.
We don't need to do that net shit. Don't get checked quick. Thinking now you savage. Don't be looking for your dead wish. All you have to do is stay low or stay at home. Boy, you want be out your house. Well, we on the road.
Bruh,
Hey.
let's just do a quick check. We need to see how much change this man got on his neck.
Dead wish. All you.
I'm gonna be blind by the time I think, but I'm gonna try. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I already give up, brother. Oh, your day supposed to be like this, brother. Oh, you still up? Sir? No, go on.
To do is stay low or stay at home.
Yeah.
Boy, you want be out your house. Well, we on the road.
Yeah.
Squeeze the chopper, he just get a Glock, he got reload.
Yeah.
Tell me why
Hold
these
on,
niggas
pause.
bounce
Big
around
pants,
the
gang.
train. Squeeze it.
Big pants, gang. Everybody pants big. Say no, say that man a real man. And a little boy. You see me? I say, a boy don't wear tight pants.
Chopper, he just get a Glock, he got reload. Tell me why these niggas bounce around the train to make a scene. Like then see the team, money blue no green. You ain't see that chopper hat. Now
Thank you very much. Big up yourself, Stanford. Big up yourself. Go. Subscribe to the channel if you're watching the video right now. You're not active. Subscribe to the most lit reaction channel on YouTube right now. Support little Jamaican boy, man. Subscribe. Go.
gas steam. Don't be passing around my joint, man, no more like fiend. I've just walk up in the party, cut the music quick. When they hear that, everybody move and dip. Touching everything, don't piss me off, I move like wick. Got to test your stick, if I had nozzle gas steam. Don't be passing around my joint, man, no more like fiend. I've just walk up in the party, cut the music quick. When they hear that, everybody move and dip.
What? Right now, the artist is going on, but I want to see all 5 emojis in the comment section right now. And if you're from the US Virgin Islands or the British Virgin Islands or anywhere you're watching me from, comment your flag right now, represent for where you come from, represent for your country, represent for your culture. You know, I represent for the entire Caribbean already, but represent for where you found from. So anyway, you're watching me from, even America, represent for where you're watching me from right now. Drop it down below in the comment section. Go on.
And everything don't piss me off, I move like wick. Got to test your stick before you go and hit your lick. You don't want a bitch be jamming, you be fucking pissed. Want to see 100K and put it on my wrist. Any fit I wear, that gun will never leave my side. I be living wild, cut the heavy.
Wait, did you just say any fit he wears, that gun will never leave his side? Any fit he wears. I want to hear this, but I want to go back.
I mean, you be fucking pissed. Want to see 100K and put it on my wrist.
Yeah.
Any fit I wear, that gun will never leave my side. I be living wild, cut the heavy suicide. Every day I check the news, somebody dying.
And every day you check the news, somebody died. But the part that catch me though is like, any fit he wears, the gun will never leave his side. People, you all know what time it is. You all know what time it is. You all know what time it is. You all know what time it is.
Ellen 32 square miles, you hard to find. Losing all my brothers to the streets to get me mad. I don't care what you done had, hope you understand. Gone up in your face, no way have
Hindu,
to upper hand. Fine. Losing all my brothers to the streets to get me mad. I don't care what you done had, hope you understand.
No, Hindu.
Gone up in your face, no way have to upper hand.
Man. Give me kitchen lighter. Hindu. Deal with it.
We got sticks here, guns here, bitches everywhere. Fuck the fairs, fuck the ups, bitch. We don't even care. Fuck
What
your
is this
man,
dude?
fuck
Hold
your
on.
whole clan.
What am I doing?
Understand?
Them man
Gonna
over here
put
some
your
on the
face, no
left
way
side.
have the upper hand. We got sticks here,
Look,
guns
see my
here,
corner side, right?
bitches
Watch
everywhere.
it.
Fuck the fairs, fuck the
Watch
ups,
your boy.
bitch. We don't even care. Fuck your man, fuck
You know when
your
people in a church and them my praise and worship and them you know you praise somebody.
in your face, no way have the upper hand.
Yeah.
We got sticks here, guns here, bitches everywhere. Fuck
Hey.
the fairs, fuck the ups, bitch. We don't even care.
Yeah.
Fuck your mans, fuck your whole gang. Catch them by the two. Have my mask on, who that is, he ain't had a clue. Pop up like Houdini, out the bush been playing peekaboo. Catch them by the self, they freeze up, they ain't know what to do. Bitch.
Beatbox, yo. Well, on it done. This is the sad part of the video. But wait. Don't forget. Don't act like you didn't see the baby in the clip now. Don't act like you didn't see her out here. Don't act like you didn't see her out here now. She was representing. But anyways, I want to say thank you for checking out my video as usual. I understand. I really appreciate y'all taking the time out to have y'all a lovely day to watch my videos. You feel me? So leave a like if you haven't liked the video yet. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell a friend about the reaction boss. We are currently on the road to 50,000 subscribers today. The date of this recording is March 10th. I just hit 45,000 subscribers. I want to say thank y'all. So 5K more to go to 50K. We can do it. Yes, we can. Subscribe to Tyrekevlogs and also subscribe to Ty Island. TY Island. That's my vlog channel. I'm going to be vlogging over there when I'm going to be gone in Florida. So you might want to subscribe like right now. Anyways. Peace out.